Welcome to the Dart Education Project tutorial of PHP blog project. In this session number 5, we will discuss how to create a header file and session implementation. It is very important for a project to for the security purposes to implement the session files and other things. One important thing is that the header file is included in every page because it includes the menus and other things like the site header and logo and other things. This is not a special kind of file. It's just the name of the file, and we can just place all the codes which will be included in the other files, and there's nothing special in that file. So first of all, we create a login script file as well as we did in the last sessions, and then we create a index page. So first of all, we create a header file, and it was PHP file, and just use header.php, and better to place it here, place in the admin area, and just save it. After that, we need to implement some more important things like that anti-corruption and anti-crime forum, and heading is here, and remove this part and just use index part like this, anti-corruption and anti-crime forum. Now in this index file we just include this part, remove this part, and just use PHP and use include, and then use header.php file here. Okay, now we will go and check it out if the file is here. Okay, the file is working very fine. But one important thing, we will do some work in the file, like as we create a folder of image folder. So first of all, I create an image folder, add it a new folder. All the images of the site will be placed here, and we have some downloaded images, downloads, and I thought ACSCF image. I will copy it and just place here, add it, and okay, place it in the C folder, vamp, www, ping, not ping, ribbon, anti-corruption, anti-crime, images folder, and just place this ACS. Okay, now I will add this image here. I will image img source is equal to browse, and then use images folder, and this logo is here. Okay, so what will be the new look? Okay, new look is here. Let's check it out. Okay, we will make this according to our requirement, but at this time we have a logo and a heading is here. One important thing is to implement the session. One thing is very clear, that if we will just use this thing without passing the without passing the anti-corruption, anti-crime blog, and just go to the index page of admin area, then we will move to this page without any security. So for this thing we will need to implement the session file. So for what we will do, we will go to this file, and basically we will do this thing in the header file, because every admin page will require this. So PHP is here, and after that what we will do, we will include something like a connection file is here, and for this thing we will have a path and include after that we will use connection.php. Okay, now first of all we need to start session start. This is one line tag, one line code that will represent session underscore start if this tag was not working. So what we will do, if session if not is set session or variable name, then we will move it towards the login page. So we will implement the condition if not is set, and then we use session variable, and in this we will use username. If not is set session name username, then what we will do, we will use to implement script as we will do in the last session, window dot location dot assign, and we will use it to move it like that, and login.php. Okay, script close, and now once again we will use php tag, and after that we will close this brackets. Now we will check what will happen if we will try to go on this page once again. Then what happened? Okay. The session was already used or not. In order to check what is the problem, we need to echo $_ session username. Probably that will be already fixed or not. So first of all we will use to check it out. So we know that the username is already, your session name is already set there for some other website. So we need to do something. We will just change this uname and try to implement it like uname. Now we will go and refresh this page again, and now you will see that the page was directly moved to the login page. And if we will try to log in admin area once again, then it will not go to that page, and the page was redirected us towards the login page. And if this page was working, and now we will use the right name and the right password, but the page was once again moved to that location. So what we will do, we will need to implement the session file of this in the login script page here. At this place we will use $_session and use the same name uname, and place the value of the uname here. Now we will once again move to this file and just go and check it out. Okay, so the problem is that we did not start the session file. This is always included in the file session_start, because this file will tell the browser that the session is maintained or not. So once again we will go and just, okay, this time it will redirect us towards the right path, and so the implementation of the session was implemented. And thank you very much for watching this tutorial. In the next part we will do something to make the look and create a user area and some blog area. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. But please subscribe our channel For more video tutorials and for support us, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.